Hello, in this video I will show you how to check your BFUHS Result 2025 Baba Farid University of Health and Science. To check the result, first of all visit official website bfuhs.ac.in/index m.aspx and click on online services and click on university results. Because of some server issue, the website loading will be little bit late. Check several times, it will show you the results. And also you can visit this URL also. Because of heavy traffic, the server is very low. After clicking on university results, the result will be displayed accordingly. You can download or print your result for future reference. If your mark aren't showing, try again later. Sometimes the server takes time to update all results. That's it. You now learned how to check your BFUHS Result 2025 easily. It will display all the results on the screen. Thank you.